The next example is how to remove the background and add a different background with some extra graphic elements that appear at different times. Start with the video clip and add it to the scene. You can position the video now or after removing the background. Click on the video clip in the scene, and from the left panel, click the background removal tool. Wait for it to finish. Then you can add any elements you like, starting with the background. I chose a static cartoonish image, but it can also be any video you want. Next, add all the graphic elements you want in the scene. To make them appear at different times, click on an element. You'll see that layer appear at the top of the scene. You can stretch or shrink it on the timeline so it starts or fades at different points. I want all of them to appear one after the other, so I adjusted the timing. As you change the start time of one element, you'll see dots that mark the starting points of the other items. This helps you line everything up correctly. You can also add animation to the elements. Click the element, and on the left panel, click Animation. You can choose from different animation styles to control how each item appears in the clip. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.